Contents. Introduction. Journeys over land. Caribou. Emperor penguins. Journeys through water. Green turtles. Salmon. Journeys in the air, monarch butterflies. Albatross. Conclusion. Glossary. Introduction. Many animals set out on long and difficult journeys, to find food or to find places for their young to start life. They often travel great distances. Sometimes even halfway around the world. Some animals make one of these amazing journeys every year, others make only one amazing journey in their lives. Some animals travel over land. Some through water and some in the air. Before winter starts, these geese set off on their journey, to their breeding and feeding grounds. They return the following summer. Journeys over land. Caribou. Caribou are a type of reindeer that live in North America. During the summer months, caribou feed on the grass and leaves of the tundra, which are treeless plains near the Arctic Circle. They also give birth to their young. As winter approaches, food becomes harder to find. Small herds of caribou join together to form a huge herd. Thousands and thousands of caribou travel south to the forests, where food can be found, even in winter. Journeys over land. Emperor penguins begin the long journey over land. Before winter begins. Emperor penguins. Emperor penguins live in the waters near Antarctica. They can swim very well, but they cannot fly, and they find it difficult to walk. Once a year, emperor penguins come ashore, and make an amazing journey over land to their nesting colony. On their journey, they sometimes slide over the ice. On their stomachs, pushing themselves along with their flippers. As summer begins, the young chicks are almost ready to make the journey to the sea. Journeys through water. Green turtles. Green turtles spend most of their lives at sea, but they come ashore to lay their eggs. Every 2 or 3 years. Fully grown female turtles swim long distances to the same beach where they were hatched. This is where they lay their eggs. Some turtles may travel over 2,000 kilometers, 1,240 miles, to reach the same beach. No one knows how these turtles are able to find the same beach again. The male green turtle spends all its life in the sea. Only the female swims to the shore to lay her eggs. Salmon. Salmon live most of their lives in the sea. But they lay their eggs in small, freshwater streams, after completing an amazing journey upstream. Young salmon hatch from eggs, buried in gravel nests, that their parents built. After a short while, the young salmon return to the sea, where they grow into adult salmon. 4 or 5 years later, the adult salmon return to the same streams to lay their eggs. Some salmon swim up rapids and waterfalls to reach their breeding grounds. Salmon make this journey without eating. Journeys in the air. Monarch butterflies. Monarch butterflies live in North America. At the end of summer, they fly south to Mexico. In spring, they fly back north. During this journey, the adults lay their eggs and then they die. When the young butterflies hatch, they continue the journey north. No one knows how the young butterflies know where to go. These butterflies are tiny, but fly an enormous distance on fragile wings. Their wings are often tattered by the end of their amazing journey. Journeys in the air. Albatross. Albatross spend most of their lives gliding over the sea, in search of food. They swoop down to catch fish and squid from the sea. Albatross travel great distances, without ever seeing land or landing. They are able to sleep, while they are gliding in the air. Albatross come to land to nest and lay their eggs. They stay ashore to look after their young. A black-browed albatross with its young. Conclusion. Many animals make amazing journeys. Their journeys are often long, difficult and dangerous. The animals that make these journeys take great risks. Their journeys help them to survive. Humpback whales feed in polar regions in the summer. As winter approaches, they travel long distances to the warm tropical oceans to give birth to their young. The end.